company is also working on its next generation number series flagship, which is mostly unveiled at the end of the year. The OnePlus 12 had initially surfaced in leaked renders shared by Steve Hemmerstoffer, aka OnLeaks, in July this year. Now, the tipster has posted updated renders of the smartphone that reveals a minor change. He adds that the updated renders are based on the pictures of pre-production units, giving the most comprehensive look of the upcoming flagship. Let's start with the changes found in the updated leaked renders first. The OnePlus 12 will have repositioned camera sensors compared to what we saw in the early renders. The sensor alignment in the latest images is similar to the previous generation flagships. The upper row has two sensors, whereas the bottom row has a periscope lens and another mysterious cutout beside it. The previous render had revealed a distinct glossy black strip underneath the periscope lens, and there was no fourth cutout either. Additionally, the Hasselblad branding on the latest renders has also been replaced with the initial H. The LED flash unit retains its position at the top left corner of the same half-pill-shaped island in a glossy finish that stretches from the side frame. The rest of the design is pretty much the same as the previous render. There is an alert slider and power button on the right edge, whereas the volume rocker keys are on the left side. On the front, the OnePlus 12 has a curved display with a center-aligned punch-hole cutout and minimal bezels. Leaked core specifications of the upcoming OnePlus 12 reveal that it will feature a 6.7-inch 2K AMOLED 120Hz display, a 50-megapixels OIS-enabled main camera paired with a 50-megapixels ultra-wide-angle unit, and a 64-megapixels telephoto lens, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 under the hood, and a 5400 mAh battery unit with support for 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging.